everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a beautiful summer necklace using the newest Softlex company design kit, Surfs Up? I just loved all the orange beads in this collection, perfect for summer. And I'm just adding in these beautiful laser etched coin beads, and they were claimed from the Softlex company live sales, and they're little suns. So I thought that was perfect for Surfs Up. Orange is just such a beautiful color for summer. It's so bright and vibrant, and it just reminds you of a sunny summer day. So we're going to be making a necklace on this tutorial, and it's just going to be basic bead stringing, but with a little bit of a twist, and then we're going to add some embellishments. So I just added on one side of my beads to my Softlex wire, and I am using the fluorite wire, and that came in the kit. And if this kit is still available, or if any of these products are still available, I will leave a link down below in the description, as well as link the Softflex wire just in case you need some more for your collection, as well as I will link the tutorial playlist down below for more Surfs Up design kit inspiration. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Let's start creating. So when I'm doing basic bead stringing, I like to work on the spool. It just kind of acts as a bead stopper. So we have our beads added on, and then our beautiful little findings and daisy spacers just to give it that little bit of gold and metal, just to kind of break up the sparkle from the design. So to start, once you add your beads on, and this is kind of short for a necklace, when you're working on it, you might think that you need some more soft flex wire, but I'm going to add a length of chain to the back of my necklace. Usually for the summer designs, I don't like to have them too heavy or too bulky, so a piece of chain is just perfect, or you could just add some soft flex to the back as well. So we're just going to cut from the spool. We're going to bring in our 2x2, and this is what's going to keep everything nice and secure. So we're going to slide it on like a bead and then just pass back through. And we're going to have like a little connection point in a circle. Now, sometimes the fluorite wire blends into the bead mat. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a squish. Then I'm going to rotate. This is just going to give it a more professional finish and just make the 2x2 look like a little bead. We have a little bit of soft flex left over, but I'm just going to tuck that under the next bead. Then we're just going to slide all of our beads down. And then we're going to make another strand. Added my 2x2 to the other side. And if you want to, you can make an asymmetrical necklace. So we have our two designs. We want about 3 to 4 inches of soft flex wire showing on the bottom of our necklace. We're going to bring in this really pretty, I think it's like an 18 millimeter. It just looks like a sunburst bead. And this was exclusive in the Surfs Up Jesse James bead mix. Before we add that on, we're just going to add on a few more daisy spacers. And when you cluster your daisy spacers together, it kind of gives it like a little chevron pattern. We're going to add on 5 of our little daisy spacers to each one of our soft legs. And you can just see how it kind of stacks together. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just to bring out a little bit more gold in our design. Now we're going to grab our 2 soft legs and we're going to string them both through our large bead. So you can see how it kind of just looks like a little sun, and then we have that gold embellishment as well. And then since the ends are already added on with a 2x2, you don't have to worry about the bead sliding off the other side. So it's kind of like a little bit of a lariat style necklace. We are just going to add on our 2x2 through both strands of the soft flex. Now with our medium soft flex, what we're using in our project, you can fit 3 of them through the 2x2. So I'm just going to grab the shorter end of soft flex and just pass it back through. And this is just going to create like our little connection point that we can add on our beautiful little shells. Make your adjustments of how big you would like your little connection loop to be. And then we're just going to take our pliers and give it a squeeze and rotate. Now we do have our extra soft flex. So when you have anything left over, be sure to save it for a future project. And then we're just going to trim off any extra soft flex. Just be sure not to trim our little connection loop. Then now we can add on our embellishments. I have some small jump rings that I just connected together, and this is going to be my little tassel. And then we have our beautiful little shell bead, and then I added in this exclusive to the kit 3mm travertine bead on top of the little shells. And these are on head pins, and we're just going to be making a loop with the one-step looper tool, and I'm using the 1.5mm. So we're just going to slide it into our tool and give it a squeeze, and we have our perfect loop. So we're going to do that for all of our little components. And if you want to add more little charms or embellishments, you can as well. Or if you want to make a wrapped loop with your round nose pliers, that works as well. Step looper, I just like to bring in my round nose pliers and make sure that everything is nice and secure and my loops are completely closed. You don't want to lose your little embellishments. I love how the shells are double-sided, so if they move in your design, you'll get a design on each side. So we have our little embellishments here with our chain. And then we're just going to take our jump ring and attach one of our little charms to one of our embellishments and give it a close. So this is a wonderful project to help practice opening and closing jump rings. You could also use a piece of chain if you would like to. Sometimes the little jump rings are a little tricky to handle and hold. So we're just going to add on all our embellishments. And we just want to make sure that our jump rings are completely closed. We'll hear that little click when they're completed. Have our little embellishment. We added on an open jump ring, and then we're just going to attach it to our little soft flex connection point on the bottom of our necklace and close up our jump ring. And what's nice if you ever want to change out these little charms, if you want to add like a little sea turtle or like the beach ball that came in the kit, you could just open and close jump rings instead of having to restring the whole project. So then we're just going to add on the rest of our little embellishments. So it's like a little tassel charm necklace. And then we'll add on our last one. And give it a close. We have the beautiful necklace, and now we're just going to create some matching earrings. Our beautiful necklace, now we're going to create a matching pair of earrings. So we have our little sun laser etched bead on top, and then another little golden shell or orange shell with a few extra little glass crystals from the collection. So you will just need a head pin. You're going to add on your shell, a daisy spacer, and then a 6mm rondelle. And then on your eye pin, you will just go ahead and add your little sun bead. We'll be using our one-step looper. Just slide it in, give it a squeeze. We'll just make sure that our loop is closed. And then we're going to open up the bottom of our eye pin, just like we would a jump ring. And then we're going to attach our head pin to the eye pin and give it a close. And then we'll have our little sun bead on top. We'll just put that into our looper. Make sure everything is nice and secure. And then we're just going to bring in our earring finding. And since these are double-sided, it doesn't matter which way you add it onto. We're just going to slide and give it a close. And we have our beautiful pair of earrings with our beautiful necklace. And then on the ends of the necklace, you could just add a piece of chain or more soft flex, just your preference. We have our beautiful summer design using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Surfs Up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all the tutorials featuring this awesome Softlex design kit and the products used in this video if they are still available. Have an awesome day.